we guide you through how to disable extensions in Google Chrome. So, start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dot menu in the top right corner, then selecting More Tools and Extensions to see all installed extensions, where you can toggle off any extension you want to disable without installing it, or click Remove it to delete completely. And for the faster access in the future, you can enable developer mode to manage multiple extensions at once. Check for any unnecessary permissions and keep your browser running smoothly. And remember, disabling extensions can help improve Chrome's performance, reduce crashes, and stop unwanted pop ups. So once you've turned off or removed the ones you don't need, close the tab, refresh your browser, and notice the speed improvement immediately, making your browser experience cleaner, faster, and safer.